Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about if then else statement. Today we are going to learn about if then else if control statement. Okay, this will give us more flexibility than if else statement. Okay, so before jumping to our today's tutorial, let me just remind you if else statement, and let me just tell you that whoever is not knowing about if else statement, please refer my last video. I'll give you a link in description below. Watch that tutorial, then come to this place. You will be understand it in better way. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So what if else does, we are giving any condition. So if this condition get fulfilled, we are getting our result. Otherwise we are getting our result which is written in our else statement, or the statement which is written in else statement, else block will get executed. This is how our if else statement work. So when we'll be coming to our today's tutorial, where we will be dealing about if then else if statement, this will give us more flexibility with conditions in our PLSQL program. So how we can do that? So suppose if we are writing if our condition 1, then statement 1. If our first condition will be getting true, we'll get our first statement will get executed, and we'll get our result according to that. Otherwise we have other thing as else if. The spelling of else if is ELSIF. Else if condition 2 is true, then statement 2 will be getting executed. Otherwise, if condition 3 is true, then we will be getting the statement 3 will be getting executed. Otherwise we will get output as else statement. Okay, so compiler will check one by one all the conditions. First it will come to this place, it will check the condition. If this will be true, this statement will get executed. If compiler will find that this statement is not true, it will come to another condition. It will check here. If this statement will be condition will be true, it will get executed. This condition will get this statement will get executed. If this is false, it will come to another else if statement. So it does like this. It will check all the condition one by one and will proceed accordingly. If it will find that any of the condition is not true, it will come to else block and proceed with this statement. It will only execute this statement. Okay, hope the syntax is clear to you. Let's jump to SQL workshop, see the examples, then you will get to know everything in better way. Okay, so let's come to SQL workshop. I'm going to write a simple program which will help you to understand the thing in better way. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just declare a variable, and I'm giving, this is of number type, I'm giving any value to it. Suppose number 2, we'll write it as var1, v underscore var1. We have another variable as v underscore var2. This is also of number type. We are giving any value as 4. We have another variable as v underscore var3, which is also of number type. We are giving any value to as 10. And then we'll come to our begin section. Here we will be writing that if what we will say, v underscore var1 is equal to 2, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line to get the output. Actually, we'll write here condition 1 true. First condition is true. We want our output as first condition is, sorry, spelling is not correct, condition is true. Okay, terminate this. Now we'll write another condition where I will write else if v underscore var2 is equal to 4. Then let's copy this. Then second condition is true. Okay, else if v underscore var3 is equal to 10, then our third condition is true. Okay, else we will write here none of the condition is true. None of the condition is true. Okay, and we'll just end it using endif keyword and end the program. Okay, so this is how I have written the small code, very simple code actually, to make you the things would be very clear to you. Okay, so let's run this query. Control enter, and we have this output. We are getting first condition is true. Why? Because we have actually written everything correct, but we got, let me copy this and paste it in our Sublime text. This will give you better view actually. Control V. So here, Control A, copy, and then remove this. Control V. Okay, so this is our code is okay. What I'm doing here, I have just written var1 is 2, then print this line. If var2 is 4, actually var2 is 4, but we didn't get into this line because the cursor will check only first condition. If first condition is true, it will just ignore all the conditions and it will just close the it just get out of this if block. If it is getting first condition is true, it will just print out this thing and it will not take any of the condition. It will not actually execute any of the condition. Again, if it will get that first condition is not true, then it will come to second condition. Actually, it will check first condition first, and it normally checks one by one, line by line actually. Okay, so first it will check this condition. If this is true, then it will get we will get this output, and everything will get ignored from here, and compiler will get out of this if block. Same if it will find that first condition is not true, then it will come to second condition, and if second condition is true, then it will ignore the rest of the conditions and it will just get out of this place and only execute second conditions. Okay, statement of second condition. So this is how else if condition work. Okay, suppose any of the condition is not true, these if is not true, else if is not true, else if is not true, then it will come to else block and it will get these this statement will get executed and we will get output according to this statement. Okay, so this is how else if condition work. That's why we got our input as first condition is true, because it just got the condition as true at this place itself. It has not executed any of the condition then, and we just got the output. So hope this example and tutorial is understandable to you. Hope you got the thing clear with example. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.